Elon Musk has recently tweeted that Grok image is now free worldwide for all the users. And in this video, we are going to see how to convert your own image into video by using Grok Imagine. So let's get started. So for this, first you need to have the Grok app, and it is available both in App Store as well as Play Store. Just download this, it's from XAI. Once you download this app, make sure that you are signing in, and after that, to the rightmost top, you will be having two options. One is Ask, where you can ask your normal questions and it will give you responses. Another one is Imagine, click that. And here we will be having some of the images that other people have generated. Our focus is to convert into video. So for that, here we will be having type to Imagine, right? To the left, we are having an upload image icon. Click that. And here I am having an image of a car. Let me just select it. And it will be directly getting converted into a video. And this is the video that I am getting. Looks so good. And another cool thing is this video also has sound. I'm not sure if you are able to hear it, but this also has sound. So this is the image for comparison, and this is the video that has been generated without even giving a prompt. If you want to download it, you can just click on this download button and that will get downloaded. And if you want to redo it, you can click on redo. And here we are having some modes like fun and normal. If you want to give a custom prompt, you can click on custom and just type a custom prompt, and that will be getting replicated. So that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.